Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the RegioJet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and at the You Might Be Interested In section, click on the Contacts and Branches button. And as you can see, there's a 24/7 helpline, there's a phone number as well as an email address given, and there are different departments and contact forms for different problems. So yeah, you can find a contact here for any kind of problem that you have. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.